The KOCH Granite Nonstick Skillet set offers a practical duo of 8-inch and 11-inch frying pans. These pans come with lids, which is handy for simmering and keeping food warm. The granite coating aims to provide a non-stick surface, so eggs and pancakes should slide off easily. Cleaning up looks like a breeze, and that saves time after cooking tasty meals. The handles seem sturdy, offering a good grip as you move around the kitchen. This KOCH Granite Nonstick Skillet set is made with a hard-anodized material. This makes the pans strong and able to handle regular use. They are also PFOA and APEO free, which is a good thing for your health and peace of mind. The set can work on different kinds of stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric. However, it's always a good idea to check your stove's manual to be sure. Many users online give positive ratings for the non-stick ability and how easy these pans are to clean with just soap and water. For those looking for reliable everyday pans, the KOCH Granite Nonstick Skillet set could be a solid choice. It's like having two trusty sidekicks in your kitchen, ready to tackle breakfast scrambles or dinner stir-fries. While some high-end pans boast extra features, this set focuses on the essentials: non-stick cooking and easy cleanup. Keep an eye out for deals, as these sets sometimes have price drops, making them an even better value for your kitchen needs across the United States. Pros: non-stick surface, includes 2 sizes, comes with lids, hard anodized, granite coating, good for stir fry, has a handle, PFOA free, APEO free, easy to clean, durable material, even heating. Cons: non-stick may wear off, coating might flake, uneven heating on electric stoves, takes longer to heat on electric. Mixed opinions on non-stick surface, some report coating durability issues, not suitable for oven stove, not ideal for deep frying, possible review manipulation, review content. Quality may be low. Features: 2 pans included 8-inch size, 11-inch size, non-stick surface, includes lids, hard anodized, granite coating, stir-fry style, has a handle, PFOA free. This KOCH SYSTEME CSCSK cookware set has 2 non-stick frying pans. One is 8 inches and the other is 11 inches. Both pans have lids. They are made with a strong material called hard-anodized aluminum and have a granite-like coating that helps food not stick. These pans are good for stir-frying and have handles to hold them. They are also made without PFOA and APEO, which are chemicals that some people worry about in cookware. This set has 2 pans of different sizes to help with different cooking needs. This KOCH SYSTEME CSCSK 8 inches plus 11 inches nonstick frying pan set includes 2 pans with lids and handles, featuring a hard anodized surface with a granite coating that is PFOA and APEO free, making it suitable for stir frying and easy to clean. The pans are made of durable material and designed for even heating, although some users have noted that the nonstick coating may wear off. The coating might flake, and heating can be uneven or slow on electric stoves. While opinions on the nonstick surface vary and some report durability issues with the coating, these pans are not recommended for oven use or deep frying, and there are some concerns about review quality and potential manipulation.